Hi friends! Welcome back to Easy English Conversations. In today's video, we'll listen to a fun and natural conversation between two best friends at college. Riya and Anjali talk about classes, assignments, and weekend plans, all in very simple English. Perfect for beginners, students, and anyone who wants to improve daily English speaking. Listen carefully, repeat after the characters, and practice with a friend. Let's begin the conversation.
Hey Anjali. How are you today?
Hi Riya. I'm good, just a little tired. We had so many classes today.
Yes, I know. 4 lectures in a row. I almost fell asleep in the last one.
Me too. Especially during history. It was so boring today.
Seriously. I didn't understand half of what the teacher said.
Same here. Maybe we can study together this weekend?
Good idea. Let's revise everything together. Saturday?
Perfect. After lunch?
Yes. Come to my place. We can also make some tea.
Sounds good. Oh, did you finish the English assignment?
Not yet. I'll do it tonight. You?
I finished it last night. It was easier than I thought.
You're always on time with homework. I wish I were like you.
Thanks. But sometimes I get lazy too.
Hey, are you going to the college fest next week?
Yes. I've already signed up for the singing competition.
Wow. That's awesome. I didn't know you sing.
Only a little. Just for fun. You should join something too.
Maybe the quiz contest. I'm not good at singing like you.
You're great at quizzes. You'll win for sure.
Let's see. Are you free after class today?
Yes, I have no extra class. Want to go for coffee?
Yes. Let's go to the new cafe near the gate.
Great. I heard they have yummy chocolate cake.
Yum. Let's go fast before it gets crowded.
Okay, let's grab our bags and go.
Great job, friends! You finished the conversation. Now you know how to speak in English about college life, friends, and daily activities. Practice this conversation again with your friend or classmate. The more you repeat, the more confident you will become. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment your favorite part of the conversation. Subscribe for more easy English videos every week. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.